Hello and welcome back to another video of Python tutorial from this channel. In previous video we just discussed about the finally keyword that which is used or which is always executed in our programs, and it doesn't matter that our program has error or no, there's no error, it will be executed in any way. And after that we just watched and learned that we can use this print statement without using finally keyword too. So what's the need that we came to start using finally keyword while we can use this one? So I'll tell you the difference. For this example, it's okay to use just this print statement, but if we wrap this example or this program in a function, for example, I write down div func1 and just you have to be cautious with the indentation because it causes error in your program. I'll write down here I'm saying func1 and I'll just put this equals to x and then I'll print this x. Okay, now I've created a function and wrapped this all in a function. So for that I'll just return this function 2. I'll say return. Okay, because here we suppose that successfully this is done, we will write return 1, and for this portion we will write return, in case it gives error, return 0. Okay, so let's just run this program. Okay, here it says that enter the index. For example, I'll enter 0. Here our this statement has not been executed. Just 2, 1 are executed. The first one is of the index that we have mentioned here, the index 0. It is 1 because in index 0 we are having value 1, and the second one is from the function that it has been returned. While our program has no error, it has been executed successfully, it will return 1, and if it would have error, it would return 0 here too. So this statement, print statement, as expected, this is not executed. So what we'll do here, we will simply, if we write down finally, okay, now we will see that will this be printed or not. Okay, here it says that index, for example, I will give 0 this again. Okay, this first one is of this index, and this finally statement or finally block has worked and the statement is executed, though the function has been returned, but again our finally statement has been executed. And also we had a rule in our function that if you are returned, then nothing will be executed. But here our but the finally block or finally clause has also a rule that whatever the situation is, whether you have error or you don't have error, whether your function is returned or not, this will be executed and will be printed in any case. So this was about this finally block, and why do we use this finally block? If you want to, for example, if you want to break the database connection, or if an error occurs in which you want to remove the database connection, or if you want to clean up a file, or you want to close a file on which you are performing the function, these all are used here. So if you want to do this stuffs like this, then what you have to do, you have to just add all of them in finally, and you're all done with that. So like in this way, it will be printed irrespective of whether you are returning in function or not. You're returning in try and except, you will be just everything will be done for you and it will be executed in any case. So this was all about the finally block. In the next video we will be going through the raising custom errors. So till that time, Allah Hafiz.